Good evening, sir. This is my third demonstration of the composite sailing. What is composite sailing? Composite sailing is a modification of a great circle sailing using when it is desired to the limit of the highest latitude. So we have a sample here from latitude 35 degrees and 10 minutes and longitude of 141 degrees and 0 minutes east to latitude 37 degrees and 48 minutes north and a longitude of 122 degrees and 44 minutes west. Compute the following, the things that are needed for getting the total distance in using composite sailing is longitude where the track meets, longitude when leaving the track, initial course and final course, and most of all the total distance, total composite distance. So first steps, we have to get the DLO. I will have to provide the given L1, L2 and long 1 and long 2, and you get the DLO of the given longitude, so 141 degrees and 0 minutes plus 122 degrees and 40 minutes east. So it will be 263 degrees and 40 minutes west. So minus 360, so the DLO will be 096 degrees and 20 minutes east. So the first requirement that we need is getting the longitude where the track meets. So the formula for this will be cosine P1 is equal to tangent L1 over LV. So it will be tan 35 degrees 40 minutes divided by tan 45 degrees. So we solve it. (40 minutes) divided by tan 45 minutes. So you have 7,701,619,892. Hindi makita. So to get 44 degrees and 13,581, you have to shift cos. So we have 44.13581. So you, in order to convert the minutes, you have to multiply it by 60. So you'll get 0.81, 8.1, 8.1, 31. According to the name of long 1 and the long, the lat 1, the long, according to the name of long 1, which is east. So second step, longitude when leaving the track meet, when leaving the track. So cos P2, that is the formula, cos P2 is equal to tan L2 over tan LV. It will be 37 degrees and 48 minutes over 45 degrees. So it will be 39.1332. So you multiply 1332 by 60, you'll get 8.0. This will be your P2, position 2. 39 degrees, 8.0 minutes west. and longitude to 122. 122 degrees and 40.0 west. You will add this to get the long V2, the long V. This is the long V1. I forgot about this. After that, you will go to your initial course. Initial course. The formula for this is sine angle A is equal to cos LV over cos L1. So it will be 45 degrees over 35 degrees and 40 minutes. So what you'll get here is 60.5. Then after you name it, you will name it by the name of the dilo, which is west, and L1, which is north. So you get N 60.5, and you have to convert it to a true course. So 0.65 degrees through, 0.5 degrees through. After that, you'll get your final course, which is sine angle B is equal to cos LV over cos L2. It's 45 degrees over 37 degrees and 48 minutes. So just the same like this one, you have to name it according to the contrary of L2. So your L2 is north, so you should put south here according to the common, and the same as Dilo for this one. So the Dilo is east. East here. Next up is AV1. The formula for this is cos AV1. Wait. AV1 is equal to sine L1 over sine LV. So it will be 35 degrees and 40 minutes over 45. And you'll get 34.5 times 60 to multiply it by miles. You'll get 2067.2 miles. So for BV2, cos BV is equal to sine L2 over sine LV. It is equal to 37 degrees and 48 minutes over 45 degrees. And it is equal to 29.91 times 60. You'll get 179.6 miles. So here in the final step, you have to total the distance, which is AV1 plus BV2. This one, AV1 plus BV2, and V1 plus V2. Oh, we forgot the V1 and 8. We forgot the P3. So P3, wait. P3 is equal to D low minus P1 plus P2, P1. So P1 is 44 degrees and 8.1 minutes. And the P2 is 39 degrees and 8.0 minutes. So you have 83. You have to add both of the P1 and P2 and you'll get 83 and 161. So 96 degrees and 20 minutes minus 83 and 161 minutes. So P3 is equal to 10 degrees and 39 minutes west. So V1 and V2. So the formula for V1 and V2 is P3 times 60 times cosine of LV, the cosine of the limit. It is equal to 10 degrees, 39 minutes, and 00 seconds times 60 times the cosine of 45. So we'll get 554.3 miles. So let's go back to the total distance. So to get the total distance, we have to add the V1, AV1, the BV2 plus the V1 and V2, the four of these. the three of these, you should add them to get the greatest at the total composite distance. So 2067.2 nautical miles plus 1794.6 nautical miles, and last but not least 554.3 nautical miles. You have to add all of them, and then you'll get the total composite distance of 4,406.1 nautical miles. That is all, sir. Thank you.